Dwarf Cosmos is a charming and compact flowering plant that brightens gardens with its vibrant, daisy-like blooms. Unlike the taller varieties of Cosmos, Dwarf Cosmos remains low to the ground, making it perfect for borders, containers, or small garden beds. Its delicate petals come in a variety of colors, including shades of pink, magenta, white, and sometimes yellow, offering a cheerful splash of color almost all summer long. The plant's graceful, feathery foliage complements its blooms beautifully, creating a soft, textured backdrop that enhances any garden space. Gardeners often choose Dwarf Cosmos not only for their aesthetic appeal, but also for their ease of care and long-lasting flowering period. Growing Dwarf Cosmos from seeds is straightforward and rewarding. They prefer full sun and well-draining soil, thriving even in poorer soils where other flowers might struggle. Start seeds indoors a few weeks before the last frost, or sow them directly into garden beds once the risk of frost has passed. Germination typically occurs within 1 to 2 weeks, and seedlings develop quickly into small, bushy plants. One of the joys of Dwarf Cosmos is their ability to self-sow. Once established, they often produce new seedlings naturally the following season, providing a continuous display of color without much effort. This makes them an ideal choice for gardeners seeking a low-maintenance, high-impact flower. Watering Dwarf Cosmos is simple, as they are drought-tolerant once established. Regular, moderate watering is sufficient, and overwatering should be avoided to prevent root rot. Fertilizing is generally not necessary, as too much fertilizer can encourage foliage growth at the expense of blooms. Deadheading spent flowers encourages the plant to produce even more blossoms, ensuring that the garden remains lively and colorful throughout the growing season. Their resilience to pests and diseases adds to their appeal, making them a favorite among both beginner and experienced gardeners. Beyond their visual charm, Dwarf Cosmos attract pollinators such as bees and butterflies, helping to support a healthy garden ecosystem. Their bright, open flowers make nectar and pollen easily accessible, providing essential resources for these beneficial insects. This makes Dwarf Cosmos not just a decorative choice, but also a practical one, contributing to biodiversity in your backyard or community garden. Gardeners often combine them with other low-growing plants to create a layered effect, using their airy foliage and vibrant flowers to fill gaps and soften hard edges in garden design. Overall, Dwarf Cosmos offers a delightful combination of beauty, simplicity, and practicality. Their compact size, ease of growth, and long-lasting blooms make them an excellent addition to any garden, balcony, or patio. Whether used in borders, containers, or wildflower gardens, Dwarf Cosmos bring a touch of color and elegance that is both cheerful and effortless. With minimal care, gardeners can enjoy a vibrant display of flowers that attracts pollinators and enhances the overall charm of their outdoor spaces.